So guys, this plastic bag, we're gonna give you a quick haul of what we got from the store today. I'm just gonna do a quick haul of what we got from Dick's Sporting Goods and Burlington. I'm gonna start off with Dick's. So Tiana, Tiana got this for herself. She already has a tennis racket, but she decided to pick this up for herself. I got one for myself and hubby got one for himself, since we're gonna be doing some tennis as a part of our cardio this spring. We're just waiting for the time to get a bit warmer. Hopefully it starts warming up next week. This frisbee, we're going to try and incorporate this in our outdoor workout activity. Tiana picked this up because she said she wanted it. It's just a little drencher, soak, toss, splash ball. I guess to use it on the beach, but she loves balls, so she wanted this. We picked up two more things of tennis ball. We have some tennis balls here, so this is just to add to what we have, and that's all we got from Dick's. What's the next thing? Well, it was like $340 for those little bit of stuff, but the rackets were expensive. We got some stuff for the girls from Burlington. So we got this little tennis shoes for Tiana to be outside at. We pick her up some sandals. I got this cute, that's like $23. This cute Michael Kors slippers. We got another pair of this cute brown Rachel shoes. That's the name of the brand. And I got this for myself. These are the only size 10 I could find in the store, and as I said before, I love these type of slippers just to wear around the house or outside. So comfortable. So got that. I picked up two more body brush. Somebody was trying to open this, but yeah, I picked up two more body brush for their bottles. I got other brown pair of slippers for Tiana. I got these cute little shoes for Tilly. I don't know if they're gonna fit her, but I got these. They didn't have much size to fit her. I swear her feet remind me of Tiana's feet when Tiana was her size. She's wearing a 3 to 6 month size shoes now, so that's it. I got this cute little summer outfit. It's a 2-piece, well, it's a 3-piece with a headband. Love that. We also got her this cute cute jump 2-piece set. Bring her here, please. Sorry guys, mommy duty. We got her this cute 2-piece pant set. And this little cute 2-piece headband, and it's just a romper with the X in the back. No. And this cute 3-piece headband, shorts, and top. Well, I saw other nice dresses, but they were at church dresses. So we just grabbed this, so that I guess she can wear this to dinner with us for Easter Sunday. So we grabbed that for her. We will try to find something else. Oh, we went to 3 stores. When we didn't find the dress that we wanted for Tiana, we actually went to Target. So we went to 3 stores today to try and find it. We did not. And so we were looking for some stuff for Talia again, and because Burlington, they have a lot of shoes for her, and this was the only thing we walked out of Target with. We would have been pissed if we didn't end up buying these at Burlington because Target did not have a lot of stuff in the baby section because we wanted to get more stuff for her, but we'll do. It's a 3 to 6 months and she's 9 months, so her feet is still tiny. And I believe that's all.
That's a C.
Okay, and that concludes today's haul tonight. Okay guys, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, leave a like and a comment, and I will see you in my next one. Have a blessed day, y'all. Well, night.